Welcome to the Food Bank of Contra Costa and Solano. I'm Matthew Durkin. I run the community produce program here, and that's what everybody's bagging up today is the produce for our community produce program. And we actually serve about 7,000 people per route, and we have 2 routes. So we're actually serving about 14,000 people per month. We're actually giving out 3.5 million pounds per year for an actual total of 20 million.6 pounds for the entire inception date, which has been 6 years, going on 7. As a food bank, we've actually given out over 29 million pounds per year, and that's every year. The last time we had our volunteer services, add up all the numbers of volunteer hours, we've actually had 118,000 hours, which is around 70 full-time employees. So honestly, volunteer opportunities, and there are plenty of them here, but they really assist us very much so, because we couldn't do this without, the help of the community, just to give back to our community. Also as well, we do have opportunities on our website at foodbankccs.org. You'll be able to go to our volunteer tab. You'll be able to find volunteer opportunities and sign up for a shift if you like. Also, you can go to our page to donate, find ways to donate, and also where to find food. You can find our Find Food tab, select your city, and then it will tell you all the resources we have available here in the county.